just because they can. A little bit of an expression, freestyle session. Mr. Brian Nice, the Be Nice Silver Bullet. Alright, so, got the old TV Commodore. And again, you've got to start somewhere. Always started nicely. He's got a Commodore, he's got a V8 in it. Spent some bucks on the taco to make sure. Love the people hanging over the tents, giving the encouragement. Good stuff. Oh, he's throwing a belt off the tyre. We're nearly there. We see just a lot of tyres, but they get a big shake in the rear as they balloon out. The steel belt starting to let go and it expires. Nothing left. No one had 65 here.